Telegram is a free app that is available for Android and iOS. In this video, we will show you how you can use Telegram to help manage your expenses and finances. Open the app and on the main page of the app tap on Search button. Tap on the search bar at the top and search for a bot called Expense Bot. Tap on the first option that appears in the results. This free Telegram bot helps you manage your expenses and keep track of all your finances. To enable the bot, tap on the Start button at the bottom. Tap on the Menu button. Here you can view all the commands and their function for this bot. In the message bar, type /new then enter the cost and name of the expense. Here we will use lunch as an example, however you can add any expense you want. You can add as many different expenses as you want. To view all the combined expenses of a month, send /get in the chat and select a month from the bottom. You can also send /list and the month name to view all the expenses. To get a spreadsheet, send /export and month name and tap on 3 dots next to the reply from the bot. To save it to your mobile device, tap on this button.